Sir, ilang araw na lang, ilang linggo na lang ay huling State of the Nation address nyo na po. Ano ang dapat abangan ng ating mga kababayan at ano po yung mga maipagmamalaki yung legacy ng Duterte administration?
Nothing. All I want the people is to just look around. Ito, ang ganito. Hindi ko ipagyabang. Una-una, hindi ko ito pera. That's not my money. All I would just say is that we built and that's all. I will not crow about it in public because sabihin na ito, hindi mo pera yan. Bakit ka sige payabang dyan? Of course, the industry of those who were really on the ground, sila Tugade, sila Villar, ayan, Beroya, General Beroya, yun talaga ang nagtatrabaho. Pero ako, I will just mention what were the projects completed without necessarily attributing the miracle to me. Worker ako ng government, nagtrabaho lang ako. So wala akong dapat ipagyabang. Nandito lang ako to say that it is completed. But after that,